It's a beautiful jasmine scented tobacco. You can see these star-shaped flowers and then the big tobacco leaves below. Really beautiful Nicotiana, named for Jean Nicot, the French ambassador to Portugal at the time that tobacco was first being brought back to the European colonizers. Down here, this deep, beautiful purple. This is Heliotrope. If you've ever heard of Heliotrope as a color, this is the color, Heliotropum. It smells like vanilla and cherry pie. You really ought to get your nose into that. It's fantastic. Walk down here to the Datura. Here's the sacred Datura. Really beautiful sacred Datura is Datura metalloides of the nightshade family. This is the really toxic one. Magnificent columnar long corolla flower, pollinated by hummingbird moths. Not by hummingbirds, but hummingbird moths. A lot going on still in these beds, in these beautiful perennial beds, even in this late time in the season. I'll walk over here, show you a salvia. Some fantastic purple columns of flowers are Salvia Lucantha, a Mexican bush salvia. And one of the really cool things about this flower structure is that the calyx is just as colorful as the corolla. So what you're seeing, most of the purple here are purple calyces, and then when you see sticking out from the calyces some of the corollas of the flowers, you're seeing flower structure. So that's a really nice view of a couple of flowers sticking out of this very colorful inflorescence of calyces. Here's some more tobacco. Ah, gorgeous. This is Eucalyptus, and if I rub it and pull a little leaf up, oh my gosh, it's the amazing smell of Hall's Mentholyptus cough drops. Eucalyptus has an amazing aromatic compound, eucalyptol, in it, and you would recognize it immediately. There are big eucalyptus trees in California. They're not native to California, but they're really common, especially in the Bay Area. They're really native to Australia. But really nice view there of the medicinal eucalyptus that you see in a lot of cough drops. I love this image. This is a field in Tuscany in Italy, and the yellow flowers that you see are a member of the Brassicaceae. They're cousins of mustard. They're actually the plants from which canola oil is produced. But to get canola oil, you need to get seeds, and to get seeds, you need pollination. So what you see there is a beehive on a cart. In fact, it's not one hive, it's a lot of hives. And to help the bees to find their way back into the right colony, the right hive, the beehives are color-coded because bees are so sensitive to pattern and color vision. It's a little bit like nectar guides, but these are human-created "that's my house" guides. So you can paint your beehives when you have lots of colonies close together with specific patterns and colors so that both queens and foragers, if they're outside the hive, are able to find their way back in to the correct hive in the group. It's pretty cool.